Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Ditto. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of Ditto's body. At the top, let's draw a curve up, back down like this. And then another curve on the right. Now let's continue this line down, curving it out and back in. Now let's hop back up to the top left and let's do the same thing. Let's continue that line out and curving it down like this. Now from the bottom, let's draw a larger curve out and back in. And the same thing on the right side. And then let's close off the bottom with a large wavy line. Next, let's add Ditto's face inside at the top. Let's start by drawing the left eye with a small circle here. Now let's draw the right eye, but slightly lower. Next, let's add the mouth underneath. Let's start with the curve on an angle. Then from the sides, let's curve it back down and around. And then let's close it off with the same curve. And that's it for Ditto. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!